tikaka anau ki te hāpai ake I tēnei kaupapa whakahirahira. Ko roa mātou e whakarite ana, ko te manako nui, ka kite ake I te hariko, te māre, te mīharo o ngā kaiwaiata kaipuoro anō hoki.
Well, this is amazing. We've got such full hearts being able to open these doors once again for the first time in 5 years for our community.
We're quite excited because the Māori has come back to not so much to the building, but to my brother's name, so Howard Morrison Centre.
You can see them trickling in behind me, getting the red carpet experience, and all of us are just so happy to know that soon performers will go on the stage once again.
Ka tū te kaupapa whakahirahira nei ki te whare tā Howard Morrison mō ngā rai toru, e rua ngā pōwhaka ngāhau, te taite me te paraere, e whakapāhua atu ana I ngā pūkenga mīharo a etahi kai waiata, kai puoro hoki, no te rohe whānui, no Aotearoa whānui hoki.
You see the clue is in the vowel, it's whānau, not whānau.
He rā mō ngā whānau, he rā kore utu, te rahoroe mai te takiwa o te tekau ki te rua karaka, kua whakarita etahi kai waiata, kai puoro, etahi wānanga, he wā toha kai, he tirohanga anō hoki ki roto I tēnei whare a tāhua I tauara.
Rotorua has been starved of the arts over the last 5 to 10 years because we haven't had a venue that's been suitable for us to house our performing arts. So with this venue here, we have this theatre here, which is 900-seater. Having this venue will bring our culture and our performing arts back into Rotorua.
November 2017, we had to make the decision to close this building. But of course, with many old buildings, once you peel back the layers, we realised we had quite the job on our hands. So 5 years later, we are here. It's taken a long time, but for the first time in New Zealand, we've incorporated Māori design as well. So that's been done by Ngāti Whakaue artists. It's such a pleasure to have Sir Owen Glenn in the building with us, celebrating the grand opening, and of course, his generous donation to us. It was very helpful. $3 million.
Te manako nui o te whakatūwhiratanga no I tēnei whare, waiata mai, whakaaturanga mai, puoro mai, anei tētahi wāhi whakahirahira mā rātou.
That 5 years was a long time for our community to not be able to perform on this stage, but the lights are on, the drinks are cold, and we're ready to go.